Volleyball. The history of volleyball. Volleyball was invented in 1895 by William G. Morgan, physical director of Young Men's Christian Association, YMCA in Holyoke, Massachusetts. It was designed as an indoor sport for businessmen who found the new game of basketball too vigorous. Morgan called the sport mintonette until a professor from Springfield College of Massachusetts noted the volleying nature of play and proposed the name of volleyball. The original rules were written by Morgan and printed in the first editions of Official Handbook of Athlete League, the Young Men's Christian Associations of North America, in 1897. The game soon proved to have wide appeal for both sexes in school, playgrounds, the armed forces, and other organizations in United States, and it was subsequently introduced to other countries. In 1916, rules were issued jointly by YMCA and National College Athlete Association, or NCAA. The first nationwide tournament in United States was conducted by the National YMCA Physical Education Committee in New York City in 1922. The United States Volleyball Association, USBVA, was formed in 1928 and recognized the rules-making, governing body in United States. From 1928, the USVVA, now known as US Volleyball USAV, has conducted annual national men's and senior men's age 35 and older volleyball championships, except during 1944 and 1945. Its women's divisions was started in 1949 and senior women's division age 30 and older was added in 1977. The national event in United States are conducted by the member group of the USAV, such as the MYCA and the NCAA. Volleyball was introduced into Europe by American troops during World War I. When national organizations were formed, the Fédération Internationale de Volleyball (FIVB) was organized in Paris in 1947 and moved to Lausanne, Switzerland in 1984. The USVVA was one of the 13 charter members of the FIVB, whose membership grew more than 210 members countries by the late 20th century. International volleyball competition began in 1913 with the first Far East game in Manila. During the early 1900s and continuing until after World War II, volleyball in Asia was played on larger court with a lower net and 9 players on a team. And here are the basic volleyball rules for playing the game. 6 players on team, 3 on the front row and 3 on the back row. Maximum of 3 hits per side. Player may not hit the ball twice in succession. A block is not considered a hit. Ball may be played off the net during a volley on a serve. A ball hitting a boundary line is in. A ball is out if it hits an antenna, the floor completely outside the court, any of net or cable outside the antenna, the referee stand or pole, ceiling above a non-playable area. It is legal to contact the ball with a part of a player body. It is illegal to catch, hold, or throw the ball. If 2 or more players contact the ball at the same time, it is considered one play and either player involved may make the next contact, provided the next contact isn't the team court hit. A player cannot block or attack serves from on inside the 10-foot line. After the serve, frontline players may switch positions at the net. At higher competition, the officiating crew may be made up of 2 referee, line judges, scorer, and an assistant scorer. Court dimension. The game is played on a volleyball court 18 meters 59 feet wide, divided into 2 9 meters times 9 meters halves by a 1 meter 40 inch wide Net placed so that the top of the net is 2.43 meters, 7 feet 11.58 inches above the center of the court for men's competitions, and 2.24 meters, 7 feet 4.5 inches for women's competitions. These heights are varied for veterans and junior competition. And here are the equipments: center line, attack line, service line, the net, poles, ceiling height. Officiating and game. Volleyball is generally officiated by the two referees and two line judges. The line judges stand on opposite corners throughout the entire match and assist the first referee within and out calls and look for touches of the ball by blockers at the net. Volleyball, game played by the two teams, usually for 6 players on a side, in which the player use their hands to bat a ball back and forth over a high net, trying to make the ball touch the court within the opponent's playing area before it can be returned.